Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Xpress M series, and now I can show you how to change language on this device. So firstly you need to open menu, so click on menu button. Here scroll right, click system setup, click OK. Here choose machine setup, scroll right. Here we see language, click OK, and you just change to desired language, for example Espanol, click OK, and great, now I have a Spanish language. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.